What's up? Welcome to Canvas TV. I meant to say, my name is Cannon. This is my mom, Bridget.
Hey everybody, we're back. And our activity today is going to be tied to a really great book we just read called Fiona Flamingo. And in this book, we have a little tiny baby flamingo. And while all the flamingo friends start to turn the color that flamingos are supposed to be, which is what?
Pink.
They're supposed to be pink. Her feathers turn white. And then as the story goes on, what happens to her feathers throughout the story?
She gets rainbow feathers.
Like, they start changing colors. So at one point, they're green, and then what color are they? Do you remember?
Gray.
They turn gray.
My favorite color was when she turned red.
And when did she turn red? Do you remember what was her emotion?
When she got mad.
When she got mad, her feathers turned red. And when she got sad, her feathers turned blue. And throughout the story, some of her flamingo friends aren't that nice to her. And they keep saying, your feathers are supposed to be pink. But her feathers aren't pink. And as the story goes along, she comes in contact with a little baby flamingo who looks up at her beautiful feathers and says, boy, one day I hope my feathers turn colors the same way that yours does. And she realizes that it's okay to be a little bit different, that it's okay if her feathers aren't pink, that being different is really special and really cool, right?
Yeah.
And that's important for us to remember too, isn't it? That it's okay to be a little bit different than all of the other people that are around us, that it's okay to be special and fun and different. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna let Cannon, Mama attempted poorly to draw Fiona, but that's okay because we're all trying new things during all of this. And Cannon is going to pick some of his colors.
To the table so it just doesn't like.
And he's going to color his own Fiona Flamingo, the color he thinks is the most beautiful and the best. What do you think about that?
I'm just going to color it however I want.
And that's what we can do. We can color Fiona however we want to. So we're going to let...
What if one of my friends are here and we was going to draw Fiona and one of my friends said that I can't draw Fiona however I want.
But that's the point of the story, right? We can do everything just a little bit different, and that's okay. So we're going to let Cannon color, and when we come back, Cannon's going to have a beautiful flamingo picture to show us. Cool?
Yeah.
All right, see you in a minute. Okay, we're back, and Cannon finished his beautiful picture. He even asked Mama to help a little bit, so Mama got to color too. Yeah, that looks really good. Put it down. Okay, so Cannon, what do you think of Fiona Flamingo?
It's a good book.
It's a good book. Do you recommend it to our friends to go read?
Yeah.
Yeah, I recommend this book too. It's really sweet and it's a really great story of how being different is totally and completely okay. Because we're both a little different, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I think that's it. We'll be back later.
Peace, booty, doo, bit, bop, bop.
Bye.